Hey everyone, it's Jeff here at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use IVS Repair inside the DriveSafe device. So let's get into it. First thing we want to do, let's go ahead and click that DriveSafe Diagnostics tab here on the home screen. Next, let's get the DLC cable plugged into the diagnostic port and let's turn the ignition to the on position with a battery maintainer and select Next to continue. From the main screen here, we want to select the Diagnostics tab in the lower left corner. Next, we want to select IVS Repair in the lower left corner. IVS Repair can be used to do quick pre- and post scans. It can also be used to check PID data or measuring value blocks with inside modules. And you guys can also use it to clear codes inside of individual modules. This car is gasoline. In the upper right there, you guys can see the Quick Test tab. Let's go ahead and click that. Next, go ahead and click Historical DTCs, Cleared DTCs, and Freeze Frame Information, and then click the Run Quick Test tab. Alright, so here's the quick test that we ran on the vehicle. It's not a pre or a post. We're going to get to that in just a moment. You can see here at the top you guys have a Clear Fault Codes tab, and you can also purchase reports. We have 3 modules that came back with fault codes. If you guys click those little plus signs there on the left hand side, depending on the vehicle and the module on the vehicle, it'll give us freeze frame data. So we can see here that the XM satellite radio subscription was deactivated and stopped working on this vehicle at 22,447 miles, and the date on it was 5/17/23 at 12:06 p.m. If that's information that you guys can use when writing a vehicle, you can go ahead and take pictures of this with your phone and upload them into CCC. So just another way to kind of CYA. We're going to go ahead and clear the codes on this one, and we're going to see what comes back. I'm willing to bet only the satellite module radio code is going to come back on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and do an ignition cycle on the vehicle and click OK. Let's go ahead and rescan the ECUs. Okay, so here are the fault codes that returned. Like I said, the tuner for the satellite radio deactivation code returned. The only way to get rid of that code is if the customer activates the satellite radio. Other than that, everything else cleared out of the vehicle. Up here at the top, if we click the purchase report, underneath the select to scan type, I need you guys to understand this is always going to default to post scan. So if you need to change it to pre-scan or other, you need to do so accordingly. This is a post scan, so we're going to go ahead and select it. Then press purchase, and we should get a green indication here at the bottom. Success. Quick test report has been purchased successfully. You guys will receive the report in your CCC work file under attachments. And of course, the invoice will be under parts and vendor. Thanks for watching, everybody. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.